Another day in the Philippines, another Cebu hotel review.
And now let's take a look at our... Oh shit, I locked myself out of the room. Oh god. We're not off to a good start here. Welcome to my life of misadventure.
Hey everybody. This is Ned at My Philippine Dreams, and there goes a racing scooter, yeah. Alright, so we're in Mandaue. I stayed here this weekend. And right over there is the J Center Mall for all your immigration needs. And I am staying at the Andy Hotel, which is just a hop, skip, and jump away from J Center Mall. And I'm just going to do a little review on it. The guard's watching, there's a basketball game on or something, I think. So they're watching the basketball game.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. And this is the atrium. You got all your restaurant needs here. The guys are all hard at work. I don't know why they're all sitting down, but they are. Oh look, everybody's waving. Excellent. Now this was only opened a couple years ago, and the prices are quite reasonable for the quality of the room. These are the nicest rooms I've seen in quite some time. This is the area where you want, if you want to get drinks. They got the Johnny Walker over there. They got a little eating over area over there. They got function rooms. They have deliveries and all that stuff for food, room service. I guess Chinese New Year is going on, and it's really nice. So what we're gonna do now is we're basically just gonna go up. Yeah, I'm one of those guys who pushes both elevator buttons, and we're gonna check out the room. Okay, let's try this tour of our luxurious accommodations once again. Because the first time I did it, I locked myself out. Alright, so this is the basic room at Andy Hotel here in Mandaue. And I am really, really impressed. It's large, spacious, airy, very well appointed. It's got cool art. Let's go through the amenities. It's got a big Panasonic air conditioner because it's the Philippines. You absolutely need that. It's got a mirror. Damn, I'm looking good. We got coffee cups, water glasses, all kinds of accoutrements for your personal hygiene needs. That's always important. And you get this big ass leather chair. I'm liking this. Alright, over here you get your usual storage area for all your storage needs, and they give you extra pillow. Excellent. And I don't know what this is. Oh, blanket. Yeah, figured it out as I go along. And the bed looks like queen size. Nice queen size bed. Very nice. And an extra pillow. I always ask for extra pillow. It's got a phone in case you have to call somebody. It's got room service. Yeah, all day breakfast. Got a little all day breakfast. And here's the house rules, of course. For stains, stained blankets 800, stained towels 300. Oof. Gotta be careful with your stains. And it's got a little TV. Looks like a 32-inch TV, a Sanyo. And I'm actually going to try to... wonder why it's so leaning far down. We'll figure that out. And the view is absolutely luxurious. It's a Pacifica Aggregate Supplies, which is like chicken food and pig food and all that stuff, so that's nice. J Center Mall's down there. And the bathroom is also quite nice, airy and spacious. It's got a dedicated water heater. Gotta have a water heater, man. And it's got one of those cool shower things that comes down at you like scintillating rain. I like that. Western toilet. Unlike Fuente Pension House, this isn't a cool toilet. This is a casina. It's got a big... yeah, looks like we got good water pressure, and I'm still looking good. This is very nice. And the price, I forgot what the price was. For 3 days, 2 nights, came out to $2,600 with all fees included. And it's nice. Now I gotta hook up my Fire Stick. Alright, if you don't want to eat the breakfast here, do room service right around the corner. Literally, right around the corner from Andy Hotel is Carinderia area and a market. The Carinderia is over there, but today is Sunday, so it's closed. But every morning for breakfast I went over there, had eggs and chorizo and stuff, not super healthy. And right here at the 360 Pharmacy, you can get coffee. That's what I get. I get the 3-in-1s, and Andy Hotel had hot water all the time. And you get water here, anything you need, or a cat if you need a cat. There's lots of cats here. And I highly recommend, if you're staying at Andy Hotel, the Thai Baran up there, the massage place. Went there last night and it was fantastic. 300 pesos, full Swedish massage with all the oils and everything. The staff, Sarah, was very nice, and it was a good time. It's also easy to catch taxis right in this area. The only downside about Andy is it's strange, kind of strange location. Now, if you're doing immigration or anything, J Center Mall is right over there, literally right over there in the shadow of that big Tokyo Inn thing. So it's easy to get over. It's about literally an 8-minute walk. And over there also is Jandy, the karaoke place that Jay Stillman and his buddy Andy own. I guess they're trying to sell it, but I spent Friday night there doing karaoke with Filipino friends for about 4.5 hours. It was a good time. Good time was had by all. So yeah, that's basically it. These are the amenities around Andy Hotel. Andy Hotel, I guess, opened just a couple of years ago, and they're doing a fantastic job. It's really nice. And there's the cat over there staring at me. Hey, Ticino. Yeah. Okay, so that's my review on Andy Hotel. If you are staying in the Mandaue area, you got a business with immigration, anything like that, you need to stay somewhere, I highly recommend this for 1,300 pesos. It's very comfortable, it's very professionally run, and it's easy access to a lot of things. One last thing before I go, and it took me, I don't know, 5 years to figure this out. If you're traveling and your hotel has decent Wi-Fi and an HDMI port on the television, you can actually bring your Amazon Fire Stick with you with a AC adapter. Plug it into the TV, hook it up to the local wireless, and watch all the Netflix or all the Kodi programs that you want to watch. It works really well. Unfortunately, I didn't realize this until just recently. The internet here, and that's the only complaint I have about Andy Hotel. The internet, especially last night and today, was kind of intermittent. It's 5 megabits up and down. They're using Globe, I believe it's DSL, but it pretty much covers the whole building except for the furthest out rooms, and I'm in the furthest out room. So the internet wasn't all that great. But even at 5 megabits per second, this worked, flawlessly, streaming at 720p. It worked really well. Okay, enough of me babbling. I gotta go down to Pier 1 and get my ferry back to Dumaguete. It's time to go back to the city of gentle people. Till next time, send over my Philippine dreams. Keep dreaming and stay safe and thirsty. Oh, damn, that's somebody else's byline. Ugh.